Hi, welcome back to the Top Learner Driving School. This video. My name is Amir, audit trainer for ADI Part 1, 2 and 3. This is the second video of role play with Abu, where he has done some fault and I works toward his need at that time and make him aware of those the fault which he did, and we analyze the fault and we then work towards to remedy and achieve his need. After that, we discussing 70s competencies, considering that lesson and how the links together, and we kind relating all those competencies with each other and explaining how that competencies was affecting in those lesson and how you mark maximum in your standard check and part 3 test. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up on the video, please. Thank you.
That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. No problem at all. Let me know any hazard information you can see.
Oh yes, I can see the arrows.
Fine. How on the side? They're holding it?
They're holding it, the refuge island.
That's quite good. End of road out it and left, please. Left, yeah.
Sure, left. Okay. Signal. Bring it down.
Are you aware of your speed now?
Yes, I am. I'll bring it down right now. It's clear. Okay. Press that on the van. Maybe after the van. Yes, I can.
Well done. Good judgment. We can drive on the bus lane today or at this time?
At this time, no, we can't. We cannot.
At the main set of traffic light, I want to turn left, please.
Yeah, that's true.
Is any bus coming up on your left side?
There's no bus coming out on my left.
Do you think we're gonna go out behind the bus or after the bus?
I think the bus is still signalling, so it may move in a minute. I'm just going to quickly give the signal there as well.
That's it, well done. Good timing.
So I'm going to keep all back. If I see the bus is not moving, then I may go around.
Are you aware of the traffic on your right side?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, you lucky bus will move now. What's the benefit of checking the mirror at this point here?
Maybe cyclists, motorcyclists, overtaking cars, pedestrians.
Can you see the white van on the left hand side, the big one?
Yep.
Tall one?
Yep.
And there's a parked cars on the left side, the grey one here.
That's right, yeah.
Yeah, so I want to pull up left after the grey car, please, yeah? Don't decide on your own, after the grey car. Yeah?
After the grey car?
Yeah, this one here. Ignore the drivers. That's fine here, thank you. And if you can secure the car for me, please, and relax yourself. How's the drive so far for you?
Do you know what? Actually, I'm actually good. Yes, I can identify the sign as well. That was really good back there. I enjoyed it actually. Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
And do you think you have improved something?
Yes, I did improve a little bit with the awareness as well, junctions awareness as well, with the speed and approaching speed, and identify the close junctions and open junctions to deal with it. To use the appropriate speed.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
You want to take?
Yeah.
Fine. What's your learning?
Approaching awareness, awareness and planning.
So what you learn as a instructor point of view from this session?
Definitely awareness of speed control, observation, and come out dealing with the situation with the open junction and the closed junction, coming out and deal with it.
Helpful for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Was it okay? Or,
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I wanted to that is beneficial for you or not. You
Yes,
as,
it was.
as a
It
trainer.
was. So, what you have instructed as an instructor, examiner at the back. So that's basically, we covered the risk. The risk was with the speed control.
Yeah.
We discussed the risk as well.
Yeah.
What could have happened? Parked car there as well. So we discussed that. And now at this point, right here.
So, in your opinion, whichever fault you did is been covered, it's
Yes.
been addressed, it's been worked towards it or not.
Yes, it was.
That's the client center learning. Excuse me.
And that's exactly what they're looking for.
Yeah.
Not too much, not too less.
Yeah.
On point. Not too much giving information, not too much asking the questions. See, that's my problem, is I'm asking too many questions that that's the wrong place at the wrong time. Don't know when to execute the application, questions, and where to stop. Even though I'm driving, but you have controlled me with your questions and I'm keeping answering as well. That's actually developing me. So that's the right thing to do in it for the part 3?
Yeah. See, my client was able to drive the car and answer me. So I'm going to answer questions not too much, but to the point. That I can get. If at any given point my client is got stuck, I said, don't worry, relax, just focus this one here.
Gotcha.
I don't need the answer. I need to action.
Deal with that. Deal with the situation.
Yeah.
Situations that means, as an instructor, I need to understand: is this the right moment to ask the questions to the pupils?
Yeah.
And if you know that your pupils will make mistakes if you keep on asking, because I'm going to concentrate on you.
Exactly. Yes. They're going to get confused totally.
Yeah.
Don't bombard with the question. Just how many? Is it open? Is it closed? Can you see? Can you peep and creep? So you asking one at one junction 6, not you, but I have seen 5 questions a day thinking, shall I answer the instructor or deal the junction?
Gotcha.
Yeah, so they're in an obligation to answer it in a courtesy. Just do the point question. I said, just straight away from it. I'll discuss you. Focus this one. Can they go? Remember when the car was? I said, just stay away from it. Stop and just focus. Are they can go or not? So I'll discuss this one later on. My concern is to make sure they can go. And ask you, do you think they have space to go around? I never discussed this one at that point.
But this one.
That meeting, you were close to the close to the car.
Yes.
Yeah. If you remember that.
Yes. So you asked me.
I make you away from it. I stop it. Yes. And I say, okay, have a look. They can go around you or not.
And then I moved a little bit forward at the inside the gap. Okay.
And then I pulled when we turn into the road. Then I ask you, just pull up here, and ask you can see the road is getting wider at one point.
Yes.
Once it gets wider, then I want to pull up safe place. And you said first tree. I said, I don't know. First tree is closer. I said, is that one? Second one. You said, yeah, second one. So I pinpoint beforehand that I wanted to pull up there. For this one, I want you not to make a decision if I'm not telling you to do it. At that point, when you said turn left, I say I want to pull up big van, get a grey car. I want to pull up after, not before. After the grey car.
Gotcha.
So you plan yourself.
Yes. Okay. We're not allowed to use, of course, solid white line with a cycling line. Not even for the broken line as well.
No, don't pull up there.
Don't pull up there.
No. Okay. Cyclist is for the cyclist. If you need to pull up somewhere, you then go on a side road, pull up, discuss, come out again.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Cool. Yeah, that's fine.
Fine. Shall we go back?
Yeah, that's fine. So after at this point, back and roll again. At this point, okay, that's fine. I've discussed it. I've learned what have you learned. Now, ask me for the independent driving.
Yeah.
Briefing.
So, Leonard, how's the so far driving for you? Do you have improved? Do you think all this subject or which we deal earlier?
Yes, I think I have improved a lot actually. Yes.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, a few things.
Going forward, do you want to take some responsibility?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Yeah. So you want to do on your own?
Yeah, I can do. I can do on my own.
No problem.
Just that's right. Okay. So we done that. We've done that junctions awareness and planning. Now, do I leave that learner at this point appropriate to help people? Yes, it was adapted. It was adapted to the speed. You gave me 2 junctions after that, and you gave me the target to stay in target. So what's the right speed to approaching junction with the close junction? 4 miles an hour.
What you did there?
Two car. Or how many cars? What's the correct one?
See this one here, turn left here. So within 1 or 1.5 car, they should be below 5. As it's turning in 3, because very narrow, and a close junction. But if you look up Long Way Road, turning left to the Good Maze Lane,
Yeah.
I'll make sure they go 15 miles per hour.
Because open junction.
It's very open junction and goes visibility.
15 miles an hour.
Yeah.
Approaching speed 15 miles an hour.
You turn with the 15.
10 with the 15s, okay. Gotcha.
It's nice, open, close, clear junction. Dropping there with slow less than that, you're putting yourself in danger. That's my learner need now. To approach with that junction, open junction, with good speed.
Okay.
Yeah.
So was the lesson plan adapted when appropriate to help people towards the learning goals? Yes, it was.
Straight way.
Straight away it was, yeah. Approaching speed.
Yeah.
Approaching speed was the problem.
So focus on that one, work towards it, develop the skill.
So this risk management, when inside this one, we discussed that already.
Yeah.
So these are all covered. Did the trainee fully understood the responsibility of risk? Yes, I did. Were the directions, instructions given? Okay, that falls into the exam. Instructor, did you give him enough information? Okay, verbal interventions. Yes, it was verbal interventions needed.
I never go for any of the control, but verbal I ask you to hold back, stop here.
Yeah.
Slow down now. Look at the speed. Slow down now.
Was there sufficient feedback given to the people to understand potential risk and critical incidents? Was the sufficient feedback given to the people, given to help people understand any potential safety?
So when you pulled up and discuss on it.
That's that one.
Yeah. So what will happen? What's the danger looking at? You said, I can't see anything. What happens if there's a pedestrian around there walking?
You give me a different scenario.
Yeah.
Okay, so learning and teaching strategy. Okay, was the teaching learning style suited for the people's learning style? Yes.
As per your ability.
Yes.
At that time.
Okay. Was the people encourage and analyze problems, take responsibility for? Yes, I did.
Yeah. Did I involve you into that discussion? Or did I just tell you?
We
involve you to discuss.
With any problems, problem analyze. Yes. Yeah. Okay.
I'm just feeding you. You did this. You did that. You need to do this way. I involve you to discuss
with the questions.
With the questions.
Okay. So then, when you ask me questions, then I have to answer. That gives me my involvement.
Yes. Yeah. Plus, I know your information, your knowledge, your behavior towards it.
Was the opportunity examples clarified learning outcomes? Was the opportunity and examples used if there's pedestrians? Is this?
It can be not that one, but maybe someone else have done something not right on the road. So you use that example as to learning outcomes. So how you gonna do differently if you're the driver of that? Because someone do the corner cut, for example.
Okay, so we didn't do that. Okay, that's fine.
So you will get 3.
That's just okay. Was the technical information given comprehensive, appropriate, and accurate? Was the technical information? What does it mean?
2-second rule gap.
Okay, how do you identify 2-second rule gap? Okay.
So once you pass any vehicle in front of you passes you said pole lamppost, and you count 1 second 1, 1 second 2, or only full brake at 2-second rule gap. So you reach the same point. But instead of I said, just maintain a 2-car length. So that's not correct information.
2 seconds rule is not 2-car length. No, that's not 2-car length.
No,
that's not. That's definitely.
If the instructor telling them keep a 2-car length instead of 2-second rule gap, then it's not a correct information.
So how do you identify the 2-second rule gap again?
When the vehicle is in front of you, for example, when the vehicle passes maybe this park car, or this park car, or this lamppost, or that letterbox, and you are behind them, and your phrase is only full brake at 2-second rule, and you reach at the same point in this weather. If it's raining, then it's 4. You say twice. You got that? understanding.
Understanding. Take me, come back again. Okay, so if I'm here,
You're driving,
yeah, I'm driving.
other car is driving.
Yeah.
This car passes the street light,
Okay.
and you're behind.
Yeah.
And you're saying only full brake at 2-second rule, and you reach the street light now, and they are gone also. So you, as you're saying this phrase, and reach to that spot which you
With the full brake.
with the same space.
Same pace. Yeah, that's right. Same pace. With
Yeah,
full
you're
pace.
driving maybe 20 miles per hour. You're driving 20 miles per hour. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that means you got the gap there. You with 30-mile road, 20-mile roads. So you reach that point, same point. So that's your 2-second rule gap with the car in front.
Okay. Was the people given appropriate timely feedback and during that session? Yes. Timely we stopped and then we give the feedback to the sessions, which is this one as well. Were the people queries followed by the answers answered? Was the people's queries followed?
Have you asked me any question which did not be answered?
No.
So if you don't ask, not been answered, they will get marked on, or not marked on. They will get the numbers. If not been answered, if there is nothing there.
Yeah. Okay. Did the trainer maintain appropriate non-discriminatory manner throughout the session? What does it mean?
Did I have intervened in your space for unnecessary? Did I have pointed out anyone discriminatory manners? So beware of this BMW driver, beware of this van driver.
Okay. At the end of the session, was the people encouraged to reflect on their own performance, which is this right
Yeah.
here? Gotcha.
It clear you that
Yeah.
Semitism competencies, how they link as well.
Right. Okay.